Okay, I'll go through my tanks. I have Diva locked, Doomfist locked, Roadhog locked,
Sigma, Wrecking Ball, and
Sigma,
that's it.
Wrecking Ball. And then I have Ash, Kokiri, Echo, Genji, Hanzo, Junkrat, Mei.
Hi everyone. So in case you weren't aware, Blizzard messed up the game pretty badly. For a lot of old Overwatch 1 players, heroes are being blocked for some reason, meaning we literally cannot use half the roster. So Jaden and I decided to do the obvious and play competitive. Enjoy.
Like slipping on something?
Why would we go out into that?
I can just.
What is her team doing?
I can just slide through it. Got one, got one. Their team is quite bad. Got one.
Hey, get behind my shield. Never mind.
I really just hit that. Wow.
Oh,
I'm nasty with it.
we're rolling these kids.
I don't even care that half my heroes are locked.
Who needs them?
This is just the game now. This is just these heroes. We're gonna do the exact same thing that they did, except they're gonna walk into it. Like us.
That's the plan. One. Oh. Okay, back it up, back it up.
I feel like people like them are the teammates I usually get.
True.
Got their Pharah.
Oh, I just got rolled. Oh, they're all weak. Oh!
Bye, Pharah.
Okay, I'll tell you when I'll shatter.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
No! Jaden, I got bullied. I got kills. Go in. No. Oh no. We memed too hard.
Wait, what are we doing? This is ranked.
I know.
Whatever, we get to play with our food. Oh, never mind.
No.
Ooh.
Hop on.
Ouch.
Got their Lucio.
Ouch.
No. Ah. I got slid off for 1 point. I shouldn't have done that. Or for 1 second.
Let's focus this Reaper. Do you know Wraith?
Reaper, no Wraitho?
And I'm ready. Up.
Okay, Widow.
Can we just dunk on that Widow? Whatever.
Behind. Reaper.
Yeah.
He's got no Wraith once he's done.
We chasing this guy? I'm dropping with you.
Nice. Yeah, I have ult, by the way. You're getting close to Shatter, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, they popped that. I would Shatter whenever you're ready.
Big. Zarya 1. Focus Zarya.
Got her. Nice.
Reaper above you.
I see. I'm getting pushed by the soldier. I need help. I got her.
Yeah.
What the? What? I'm focusing their healers. Lucio 1. He got nanoed!
That's kind of a big nano. Maybe get the res. Ooh, nice res.
Get Lucio. He's one. Just Zarya, it's just Zarya.
Oh, dude.
Huge.
Big.
You are the suck. Skill issue. Nice, we got their tank, got another. We have 2 picks. There's a Genji on me.
I'm dead.
Just a heads up, there is a
I have bigger problems.
we got one.
I got shattered.
Got two. We
Our
got 'em.
Moira, I think, is throwing. Did you see what she did?
No, I didn't. I'm 1 health, by the way.
Went into 1v5 with them. And popped ultimate, died in 3 seconds.
Why do we get people like this?
Ryan 1.
Yep. I'm not sure why I popped that.
There's a Reaper behind us. He's in front of us now.
Right now I'm just focused on getting this. Oh, now we got him. Got Reaper. Sorry, that was a bit late.
It's all good.
What? What? I mean, our soldier is pushing. However, that's not... Oh, no. I guess he stalled it for a bit, but he's gonna be staggered now. There's no way... Oh, wait, he's getting back alive.
Soldier is fast.
Yeah. Got one.
Reaper no fade. Reaper no fade.
He's one. He's one. He's good. Good.
Got him.
Oh, nice. Double fire strike. Or... Wow. No, Mercy. I tried defending you. Fuck.
They went Orisa.
What? I have ult, Jin.
I have Shatter.
Well, he's coming in and probably gonna blade. Thank you, thank you. I'm getting killed by that. Yep. Okay. So Orisa's so weak. Orisa's so weak. Nice, nice.
Focus Lucio. Lucio. Lucio 1.
I'm trying.
Got him.
Get Moira. Moira's half. Nice, nice, nice. Huge.
Is that a 5K?
I think so.
Wait, this isn't even that play. Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is. Bonk. 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 Got there, Moira. Watch out for that. Mercy down, but... Good job, good
What are you
job.
doing?
Good question.
He was so bold at the beginning, and then
Thank you.
we got you.
No. Oh, oh, thank you. You saved me, dude. You bubbled me at the perfect time.
You're welcome. It was nothing.
It was nothing.
It was nothing to me. Among Us.
Sus. What? Those rockets are sus.
He deleted Bastion, bro. Maybe that's why they got rid of him, because of the glitch.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna get that. Ooh. Ooh, man, just steal my thunder, why don't you? Okay, you wanna help me just... You wanna go dive? Can we dive? You don't have any dive things, I don't
I
think.
have Winston.
Go Winston, dude. Let's dive their healers together.
Who are we
Nice, we got
focusing?
one. Just healers in general.
Oh, Moira.
Moira. I'm with you. Get Mercy in there. Mercy's real weak. She's half.
Mercy weak.
Good job,
Got
good
her.
job. Get Sojourn.
Focusing. Soldier. Got her.
Nice. Get Moira in the back.
Focus Ryan. He's dead.
Moira's
Reaper.
half.
Bye-bye. Okay. Let's go, Pure again.
I hate
Excuse
how
me.
fast she gets paid. No, not anymore.
Oh, you got healed.
We help our team. Got
Where are they?
Sojourn.
Moira.
Moira. Okay, good job.
I'm dead.
Oh, shatter.
The Ryan fell.
Get the mercy.
Mercy.
Nice. You got the res, but would they?
Moira?
Moira, yeah. Got her. Yep. Nice, yeah, Cap. Cap! Oh my god, I gotta do it myself? Okay. Wow, Tracer, how, what was the plan there? Damn, Reaper, say less.
Shouldn't have used all of those ults.
Yeah. We only have Valkyrie left.
That's, you know what, that's okay.
Zarya, focus Zarya.
Yeah, Zarya. Oh, healers, mercy.
Zarya down.
Mercy. There we go. Where?
We were down. Alright, that's GG.
Easy game.
Damn, we should just dive. We should just dive everyone.
OP?
Dude, it's crazy. There's no
Well,
punishment
I think with
for
OP,
him.
it's just us talking and just focusing one person.
Kinda, yeah.